recording them all. By the way, we're recording them all. So if you just want to watch them back.
And we're recording this as we're speaking now, so.
Right, yeah, sorry. So,
Yo, hi.
Hi,
Who are you?
I'm Charlie.
Charlie.
I'm Charlie. I don't know.
If you named your last name that long, you can't remember how to say it. Or do you not want to tell you your name? Do people take the mick out of your last name?
Is it Higginbottom or something?
No, it's not that bad. It's. I don't have to say.
Alright, okay. Just asking. Where are you from?
I'm from Liverpool.
Or did you move here?
I'm from Liverpool. I am. Yeah.
Do you have a lot of friends at school?
Yeah.
Do you?
I'm one of the lads.
Do they let you play football with them now?
Sometimes. I try.
I heard you really wish at football. Is that
What?
true?
Who'd you hear that from?
Bigger.
Digger don't know what he's talking about. He smokes all the time.
And do you smoke?
No.
Why not?
Ew. It's gross.
Do you fancy the boys? Or are they gross?
Yeah, ew.
You fancy the girl?
yes.
Am I supposed to answer that? No? No? What? Mr. Briggs? Ew, no. He's mean.
What about Colin? No, the other girl seems like Colin. What do you think of Colin?
I'm not a girl. I mean, I am, but I'm not. I don't fancy Colin.
Ah, so you're not in with the girl clique then? Do you want to be?
I don't know. No?
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 So if they invited you to come and hang out, you wouldn't want to?
But they don't. You know, I hang out with the lads.
What's your favourite subject at school?
PE.
Are you good at it?
I
'Cause I hear
try.
you're quite good at like kicking the ball. You've got quite good aim, haven't you, really? If you want to hurt someone, you can hurt them.
Yeah. Yeah, I can kick it straight.
Do you get in many fights?
I think I'm too small.
Oh.
I try.
Would you hit them back?
Yeah. I hit them first, but they don't hit back. I don't know why. I do. Yeah. I hit too hard.
So are you a bully though? You don't go around just hitting people, right?
Not to be mean. I just, like a friendly tap on the shoulder.
Is that maybe why you don't have so many friends though? You're too aggressive for it.
Is that why the girls don't hang out with you?
I don't hit girls. That's not good. I don't know. Maybe.
Maybe that's why the boys won't like do it back to you then, because you're a girl.
What's your dad like? Is he aggressive?
Nah. He and I like he tries to arm wrestle me sometimes, but I mean, I try and arm wrestle him, but he always wins.
Are you close to your dad?
Yeah. He taught me how to kick a football.
Have you got any brothers?
Yeah. 2.
Do you have any sisters?
No.
Do you live with your mum?
Sometimes.
So that your mum and dad separate?
Yeah.
You get on with your mum?
Yeah. She's pretty.
Do you act more girl when you're with your mum?
Yeah.
Does she try and make you do girly things?
Yeah.
Like what?
Well, she likes to wear nice clothes and not hit people.
What does she think about the way that you dress and your hair? Does she like it or?
She said she'd like my hair long, but she said that it looks okay short because I'm pretty anyway.
Do you feel more comfortable when you're with your mum or when you're with your dad?
My dad.
Your brother's so much older than you.
One's
Or
five.
is he older than you?
One's 5 years older and the other one's 2.
I see you're the youngest. Do you look up to them or?
Yeah, they're all so good at sports.
How old are you, by the way?
I'm 12. No, I'm 10, but I.
You like to pretend that you're a bit older.
Yeah.
Does anyone know that you're 10? Or do they all think you're in there yet?
No, they all think I'm 12. I think.
Ah, so you're quite good at lying then.
Yeah.
Do you lie quite a lot?
No.
Is that a lie?
Just white lies. You just tell white lies.
Yeah, just sometimes. Just not that often.
Okay.
Why did you tell everyone in your progress class that you're 12 when you were with dad? Was it to fit in or was it to seem a bit cooler or not seem like a baby? What was the reason?
Yeah, cause they're all 12 and they're all older and well, you know, it's,
Did you not want to seem like an out? Did you want to try to fit in?
yeah, I don't want to be different. That makes yeah.
How do you feel with Mrs. K? Is she nice to you?
Yeah, she's cool.
She's cool.
Yeah, she's cooler than the other teachers.
Who's your best friend?
Huh?
Who's your best friend?
Who's my best friend?
Do you have a best friend?
Or are you just friendly with everyone?
Yeah, it's like everybody. I mean, yeah.
Do you wish you had a best friend? Who'd it be? Would it be one of the guys or one of the girls?
The guys.
Which one?
Maybe Digger. I don't know.
So are we friends with Digger?
Maybe. I don't know. Or Andrews or I don't know. Any of them.
Oh, so you don't fancy Digger then?
No.
Oh, okay.
Who's your hero?
A hero?
Yeah.
My dad.
Right.
What does your dad do?
He's he works construction.
In locally?
Yeah, yeah. He's here a lot. And, like he goes to work at school and then he comes home.
What do you want to do then after school? You don't do the same thing as your dad, do you?
Nah. He told me I can't.
Nice.
I'm too little.